Hi guys, as you may know from previous videos, I'm currently working on small teeny 3-wheel truck Tempo A400. Yep, and it's almost finished, such a kit from this box. But today I will show you another one interesting and unusual kit. I don't want to skip these weekends without any video, so let's review this interesting new stuff. Living room interior. What? Yes. It's in 1:35 scale and it's from plastic. So if you can build a tank, you can build this kit too. So it's plastic, it's 1:35, it's from MiniArt, like a previous vehicle. Actually, I bought these two models together. Well, you know, one new box is good, but two is much better, when we talk about modeling shopping. There's some other similar kits available from MiniArt. I choose this one because it's fresh new and this not very difficult, and it has pretty box art as for me. And in the very beginning I want to reveal the main disadvantage of this kit. So it has completed set of different furniture elements to build one room. It has carpet, seats, decals, different shelves and tables, even transparent parts. In one word, all stuff to build one room. But there is no walls and floor for this room, so you have to build walls by yourself from plastic, cardboard, gypsum, wood or something like that, but you should do that and somehow to paint that walls or to decorate them with wallpapers. Well, actually, if you have experience with dioramas, that's not a problem for you. Okay, let's check the box. Here we can find one package with the details, mostly from grey plastic, and instruction. Let's start from the instruction. It's typical for MiniArt with the list of all details from this box. Assembling process, well, it's represented all building in details. Detailization is high. Next stages of the building, well, I think all this furniture can be built even without instruction. And that's all, not so many details and not so many work with the building of this stuff. And what's most interesting here is a paper list with the different details. I mean, here we can find paints and two carpets. I'm not an artist nor an expert in this field, but at least some of these paints are very famous, and I think it can be a little bit cringy if you put, for example, Gioconda on the walls of this random living room. But why not? Just for fun, or it can be a reproduction of these paints. Anyway, here we can see some variations. And two carpets, one of them like Canon box art. Okay, the details. Armchairs, pretty cool details. It can be a little bit challenging to paint these details realistic. And I think the most difficult part of the assembling of this kit is painting job. Next stuff, this table with the shelves. It will be difficult to open one of that shelves, but it can be interesting task for you. Next element, this big ban. Some artifacts is visible here, but they can be easily removed with a knife. Metal details inside this clock are casted together with the frame of this clock. By the way, here on the front panel of this clock would be located transparent plastic parts, two glasses. Do you remember that paper paints in instruction? Yeah? Here we have frames for them, only 3 frames with different sizes, so you have to choose only 3 paints that you can hang on your walls. Just imagine, you put one of that canvas inside this painted frame and then hang it on a wall That's smaller than a real in 35 times. Sounds cool. The last one sprue with the grey details. Here we can see smaller details, different musician instruments, and a bra. Details really looks cool. I think manufacturer designed and produced them with love and accuracy. And a strawberry in the end, two glasses for our clock, and decals for clock, for patephone and radio player. And that's all what we have in this beautiful box. To solve the problem with the walls, I mean with the design of that walls, with the wallpaper and coverage of the floor, I bought some additional stuff. Some upgrade sets from paper and cardboard. Actually you can do the same with Photoshop and colorized printer. So one set for wallpapers, one for wooden floor surfaces, and another one with a different stuff. So what we have here, diorama set in 1:35 scale with the interior for one room, for living room. This is a beautiful solution for modelers who want to build some interiors. Also you need to have good painting skills to produce here everything realistic. But what do you think about it? Do you want to see the building process of it on this channel? Well, thank you guys for watching, have a nice day, good luck and bye!